Once your bot is connected to Wi-Fi and the map is ready, you can set up cleaning schedules. Dustin can follow up to 7 cleaning schedules at any given time. Open the bObsweep app, make sure Dustin is online and there are no active trouble messages at the top of the page. Click Schedule and tap Add New Cleaning Schedule. When should Dustin clean? Tap to select a time when you would like Dustin to start cleaning. Schedule a time that is at least 15 minutes in the future. Then select as many days as you would like to schedule for this time and hit Next. Where should Dustin clean? On the map, select as many rooms as you like for the schedule. Note that if a room has not been labeled before, the app will prompt you to label the room first. If you prefer to ask Dustin to clean everywhere on this schedule, simply toggle Clean Everywhere on. What should Dustin do? Choose between Vacuum and Mop and continue to select Cleaning Power settings. Review the schedule summary. If everything looks good, tap Save or use the Back button to go back and make modifications. Once saved, the app automatically assigns a numerical value to the new schedule, and you can view the schedule summary on the screen. To delete a schedule, grab and swipe left, then hit Delete. To edit a schedule, click on the schedule you would like to edit. Note that if you delete your bot from the app, delete room labels from the map, erase your map, or hard reset Dustin, scheduled cleanings will be deleted as well. If you need additional help with Dustin or the bObsweep app, please get in touch with our helpful support team.